Hey guys, hope you had an amazing week. I hope you are enjoying watching my recipe videos and cooking them too. So if you are trying it out, do hashtag me on Instagram as Snigdha's Bioscope so that I can share it on my stories. And today we are going to cook Northeast Indian style boiled chicken recipe with bamboo shoots. The recipe is really simple and practically cooks itself, and with just a few humble ingredients easily available at home, you can prepare this dish. And now let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, bamboo shoots, salt, garlic cloves, ginger, dried red chilies, fresh green chilies, ghost chili pickle for flavoring, and rice flour paste. Now let's start cooking. First of all, take your grinder, then add your garlic cloves, ginger, and soaked dried red chilies. Pound it into a rough paste and keep aside. Now add 3 cups of water into your pan. Turn on the heat on a high flame and bring the water to a boil. Now add your ginger garlic chili paste which we have made earlier. Along with this, add your chicken pieces, slit green chilies, and salt as per taste. Stir and let it cook on a medium flame for 15 minutes, gently stirring in between. It's time to add our fresh bamboo shoots, which I have sliced into small pieces. Stir, cover and cook it for 20 minutes. You can stir it in between. Add your rice flour paste, stir, open cook it for 10 minutes, keep stirring gently in between. Finally, take a little bit of your ghost chili pickle for the beautiful intense flavor and give it a quick stir. And just like that, our boiled chicken with bamboo shoot stew is ready. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe, and isn't it loaded with all the intense flavor that every Northeast Indian person loves. The color of this dish is really beautiful, and it is thickened by the rice flour paste, which is very what would I say, local to Northeast cuisine, wherein we thicken all our stews with rice flour paste. So without further ado, now let's dig in. The chili flakes are looking so yum, and I'm sure this dish is really spicy considering that I have added green chilies, dried red chilies, and some ghost chili pickle for that added superlative delicious taste. So I am going to mash this with some rice. The chicken has also added a beautiful oily layer to the dish, which is probably because it's with what do you call, skin. Yeah, the chicken is with skin. And it's the moment of truth, guys. I have some chicken piece and bamboo shoot. Mmm. That fruity heat texture from the ghost chilies just comes through perfectly, and as you dig in, it has this comforting feel to this dish which we all love. The recipe, although it's very simple, as mentioned earlier, this stew is to die for. I like chewing on this. I love chewing this bamboo shoots, which gives a unique texture to this dish, and also has a beautiful tangy taste, which is quite lovely as you dig in. The chicken is super tender and the gravy is really ultra delectable. Until you don't try this dish, you will not know what it is. So guys, if you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also leave your comments about your thoughts, and if you have tried it, don't forget to hashtag me on Instagram so that I can check on what you have prepared it. Also consider visiting my channel every Friday around 5:30 is when I post recipe videos, followed by other travel videos on weekdays. I hope you're finding this new style quite interesting, and see you soon in the next episode with another new recipe.